I know that each and every one of you is capable of speaking, is capable of addressing in front of so many people. You have that potential, you have the power, you are blessed, you have been sent to this world to do wonders. So you have to live your life the way to be an example to this world. We're here for a purpose, and our purpose is very crystal clear. The purpose is to train you all for the upcoming mega grand annual seminar of Alpha English Academy, in which you have to show your potential, in which you have to show your capability, in which you have to show your ability of speaking English on the stage in front of the audience. So for that, first of all, when you will go there on the stage, you have to go for creating an impact. You don't have to go for speech, you have to create a mindset for creating an impact, for creating a massive impact. Whatever you're going to say on that stage, you must be confident, you must be ambitious, you must be confident, you must be courageous for that.